Welcome, sir. Sit down.
So I would like to thank you, sir, for giving us the opportunity to introduce the changes that you introduced to Ugandans and indeed the world that has marked a significant turnover of how parade is performed. Sir, we would like to also appreciate that you have decided to do this noble action of appreciating us as the people who commanded the parade. It is a very rare thing. Probably we are seeing it for the first time. There are very many parades that have been happening. But sir, we don't take this for granted. And on behalf of all these participants, we thank you for this act of appreciation by giving us a lunch from you, sir.
I'm very happy to be with you here today and to be able to deliver on my promise for a lunch. A lunch to thank you for the good parade that you conducted, and for successfully incorporating the new drills into this parade, and which will now always be our standard drills for parade. But anyway, now I'm happy that we have incorporated these new actions, and it looked very smart. So I felt that really I have to thank you. And within a short time,